Hey guys, another video on a Ford F150. As we have this vehicle here, this is the front of the vehicle, and well, this is the steering shaft, connects to rack and pinion right here. This is the electronic control for the arms for the vehicle, and we're gonna start talking about the alternator. This is your alternator. So basically, when your vehicle is start flashing the lights inside, and you have gradually like air condition going off, and then some other like parts, radios turning off, it's even all that, and then you come up one day and you start the car and it goes like very hard start, and the next day it's completely dead. That means it's your battery and your alternator needs to be checked. Okay, so this is a very common issue on Ford and on any other vehicles when you don't have enough power supplied by the alternator, which is in the picture is this one right here, the red one. That's your alternator. You want to replace it. Usually alternators last for 3 to 5 to 7 years, but they get all rusty and all that, and sometimes they overwork. Depends if you're all idling a lot, you might want to change the alternator frequently. They are not so expensive compared to other models on Fords. I mean, I've seen some aftermarket starting $170. Depends on the market, depends the area you live, but the originals can go all the way to $300-400. So this is the alternator again, guys. If you have any electrical problem with your battery charging or keeping the charge, you might want to check your alternator first. I recommend, if you don't know how to do it, definitely take it to a mechanic who can easily identify this problem. And first thing, they're gonna check your battery, they're gonna check your running voltage and all that, and they will let you know if it's an alternator or not. Even any auto store can tell you if it's an alternator if you just stop by AutoZone or O'Reilly or Advanced Auto Parts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope your problem for the car is going to be fixed with this short video. I'll make some more videos on electrical components on the vehicle. Thanks for watching.